Escape velocity for a planet is equal to VE. A tunnel is dug along the diameter of a planet and a small body is dropped in it at the surface. When the body reaches the center of the planet, its speed will be equal to. If I consider a planet of mass m and there is a small body of mass m placed on the surface of the planet and it is dropped inside the planet till it reaches the center of the planet, okay. Now initially its distance was equal to r, okay. Now I can say that if this is position A, this is equal to position B. I can say that the total energy of the planet at the position A will be equal to total energy of the planet of the entire body, okay, of the entire system at the position B. So total energy over here will be equal to the kinetic energy at A plus the potential energy at A. It will be equal to kinetic energy at B plus the potential energy at B, okay, plus the potential energy at B. Now when the body was just dropped, its velocity will be equal to 0, okay. So the kinetic energy in the first case is equal to 0. The potential is equal to minus gmm divided by r. Now the kinetic energy when it reaches the center, let it be equal to half mv square. The potential will be equal to minus gmm divided by r into 3 by 2. Okay, this is the potential at the center, and when I multiply it by mass, I will get the potential energy. So basically when I shift this on the left hand side, okay, it will be equal to I can take gmm by r common, okay. It will be equal to 3 by 2 minus 1 is equal to half mv square, okay. So 3 by 2 minus 1 is equal to half, so half gmm divided by r is equal to half mv square. So basically from this given equation, 2 and 2 will get cancelled out, m and m will get cancelled out. The velocity over here will be equal to root of gm by r, okay, root of gm divided by r, okay. This is the velocity of the particle at the center. Now we have to express it in terms of the escape velocity. The escape velocity for any planet is given as root 2 gm divided by r. So I can clearly see that VE will be equal to root 2 times root gm by r, that is root 2 times v, that is v will be equal to VE divided by root 2, okay. The velocity of the body at the center of the earth will be equal to VE divided by root 2, which is equal to option number B.